Hey guys, it's Andy here, and most of you guys probably don't know, but I also ride bikes, so I thought I'd show you guys my bike today. To start off, it's a Kink Transition 2012. That's what it started as. I have some aftermarket parts on it and stuff, so start off with the grips. You got Primo Bobby Simmons grips in black, Primo Simmons. They're really long, really soft, really grippy. Odyssey bar ends, best bar ends ever. Everyone needs to get a pair. Kink Uptown bars, 8 rise, 27 wide. I'd like something a little bit wider, maybe a little bit taller. Got a Mission Talon, 50mm each stem. Got hollow bolts on the front, but I snapped one of the ones in the back, so I got solid bolts in the back. Got a Mission integrated headset in black, spacer. Got Kink Strife chromoly forks. They're tapered. They're really nice. The frame, fork, and bar are full chromoly, so it's nice and light. Got a Kink light peg in the front. It's black. Got a Mission Stalwart hub female axle. Here, let me see. There, female axle. It's sealed too. Stock spokes and the stock Alienation black sheep rim. It's really nice. Got dual stunner tires, 2.2 wide. They're pretty fat. I like them. Really grippy. The sidewall is faded though. They used to be red, now they look tan, but whatever. Got a Kink Sean Sexton seat. Black, the Kink right there. Mission pivotal seat post in black and a Kink seat clamp. Go down here, got Mission Process 8 spine cranks. There you see Process. They're 2-piece, so this arm is welded to the spindle, and then this arm bolts up with a pinch bolt and a spindle bolt. I think I'm going to get some premium 1948 cranks for my birthday, and I'll run left-hand drive, which will be nice. And then I think I'd get Alienation Rush V2 free coaster, because I rode a free coaster and it's like the best thing ever, so. Got a Kink Sound sprocket, 25 tooth in red, Colt half-link chain, really strong, Mission bottom bracket, Spanish, sealed, Mission React hub in the back. You probably can't see that though. It's 9 tooth and it's sealed. Primo drive side hub guard, aluminum, stock Kink peg, another Alienation black sheep rim. Sorry, it's dirty. I haven't cleaned my bike like in forever. Another duo stunner that faded again. And we got the frame. It's a 20.75 top tube, 13 3/4 back end, 74.5 head tube angle. It's a little more laid back than I'd like, but I don't have money for a frame, so I don't really care. I think that's everything. If I forgot anything, just ask me if you really want to know in the comments. Hope you like this video. And I'll try and have more biking videos sometime in the near future when it gets nicer out. I'll do an updated bike check when I get my new parts. That'll probably be like a month though, so. But that's everything, and I'll see you guys later.